Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. History will be kind to me, for I intend to write it. We shape our buildings. Thereafter, they shape us. The price of greatness is responsibility. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. You have enemies. Good. That means you've stood up for something sometime in your life. A lie gets halfway around the world before the truth has a chance to get its pants on. To improve is to change. So to be perfect is to have changed often. I am easily satisfied with the very best. If you're going through hell, keep going. We are all worms, but I do believe I am a glowworm. The best argument against democracy is a 5-minute conversation with the average voter. Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. The empires of the future are the empires of the mind. Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential. The farther backward you can look, the farther forward you are likely to see. You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks. We shall draw from the heart of suffering itself the means of inspiration and survival. It is a good thing for an uneducated man to read books of quotations. Politics is the ability to foretell what is going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year, and to have the ability afterward to explain why it didn't happen. The truth is incontrovertible. Malice may attack it, ignorance may deride it, but in the end, there it is. My most brilliant achievement was my ability to be able to persuade my wife to marry me.